if you can see this question, here alpha and beta are real numbers and z be a complex number, and if z square plus alpha z plus beta has two distinct non-real roots. So if I want to write the value of z, I will write it as z is equal to minus of alpha plus minus root over b square minus of 4ac, and I will write it as alpha square minus of 4 beta upon 2. So if I want to write it, you will write as minus of alpha by 2 plus minus root over alpha square minus of 4 beta by 2. Now here the question is, in this question the z has non-real roots, but if I can make this value is equal to 0, this will turns out to be a real roots. Why? Because this alpha by 2 is a real number. So that's why we have to take this root of alpha square minus of 4b not equal to 0. That's the first case that you are taking. But here in this question the given as the real z is equal to 1, which means that this value will turns out to be equal to 1. So you will write minus of alpha by 2, that is equal to 1. And here you will write minus of alpha is equal to 2. And you will get the value of alpha that is equal to minus of 2. The second thing that you have to write, that is alpha square minus of 4 beta, that is less than 0. And here you will write 4 minus of 4 beta, that is less than 0. If I am writing it properly, you can write it as 4 beta minus of 4, that is greater than 0. And you will write beta that is greater than, that's the thing that you can write from here. Now, what we can observe from here, beta is greater than 1, which means that you can see option C is correct for the given question. So there are two conditions that you have to take, that alpha by 2 that should be a real number, and 4 minus 4 beta that should be less than 0. That's why you are getting beta greater than